For decades, Saudi Arabia's economy has been defined by one thing: oil. This black gold has built a kingdom, but what happens when the wells run dry or the world moves on? That's the billion-dollar question, and Saudi Arabia's answer is a plan so ambitious it could reshape the global economy. It's called Vision 2030, and it's not just about building futuristic cities in the desert. It's about turning oil money into a global investment empire. So, how are they doing it? The key player here is the Public Investment Fund, or PIF. Think of it as Saudi Arabia's national piggy bank, but instead of coins, it's filled with hundreds of billions of dollars. And it's on a mission to grow. The PIF is projected to become the world's largest sovereign wealth fund, with assets potentially soaring to over $2 trillion by 2030. That's trillion with a T. Where is all this money going? Everywhere. The PIF isn't just buying stocks and bonds. It's making strategic, high-stakes investments in companies that are shaping our future. Remember when you couldn't get a ride and suddenly Uber was everywhere? The PIF invested $3.5 billion into Uber. Love gaming? They've bought huge stakes in giants like Nintendo, Electronic Arts, and Activision Blizzard. They're even behind Lucid Motors, a major competitor to Tesla, aiming to revolutionize the electric vehicle market. This isn't just random spending. It's a calculated strategy to diversify away from oil. By owning a piece of global innovation in tech, entertainment, renewable energy, and tourism, Saudi Arabia is ensuring its wealth doesn't just survive the end of the oil era, it thrives. They're moving from being an energy exporter to a global investment powerhouse. But the ambition doesn't stop at international investments. A huge part of Vision 2030 is transforming Saudi Arabia itself. We're talking about massive Geiger projects that sound like they straight out of a science fiction movie. The most famous one is NEOM. This isn't just a city. It's a planned 26,500 square kilometer region in the northwest. The centerpiece of NEOM is The Line, a proposed 170 kilometer long linear city with no cars, no streets, and zero carbon emissions, designed to house millions of people in a revolutionary urban environment. It promises a life where all your daily needs are within a 5-minute walk, powered entirely by renewable energy. It's an incredibly bold vision for what a future city could look like. Then there's Qiddiya, set to become a global capital of entertainment, sports, and arts just outside Riyadh. Imagine a city bigger than Disney World, filled with theme parks, sports stadiums, and concert halls, designed to attract tourists from all over the globe. And for luxury tourism, there's the Red Sea Project, an exquisite resort destination across a chain of islands, focusing on sustainability and eco-friendly tourism. These projects are designed to create new industries, generate millions of jobs for a young and growing Saudi population, and open the country to the world like never before. It's about building a vibrant society and a thriving economy that's not reliant on oil revenue. Of course, a plan this massive comes with enormous challenges. Can they really build a 170-kilometer-long city in the desert? Can a traditionally conservative society transform into a global hub for tourism and entertainment? And how will they navigate the complexities of the global market? The scale is mind-boggling, and the risks are high. Skeptics point to the immense cost and technical hurdles, but the determination is undeniable. Saudi Arabia is leveraging its immense oil wealth to place a monumental bet on the future. They're not just waiting for the post-oil world to arrive, they're actively building it. What we are witnessing is one of the most significant economic and social transformations of our time. By investing in global giants and building futuristic cities, Saudi Arabia is rewriting its own story. It is a shift from a kingdom built on oil to a global investment force shaping the 21st century. The world is watching to see if this audacious vision will become a reality. What do you think? Is Vision 2030 a brilliant strategy for the future or a gamble too big to succeed? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this look into the future of global economics, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next one.